Hi everyone. In today's session, we discuss about tablet coating. In tablet coating, the topic is components involved in tablet coating. In this, there are three primary components. There are three primary components involved in the tablet coating. Those three components are tablet properties, first one, second one is coating process, and third one is coating composition. In today's session, we discuss about the first property, that is the first component, that is tablet properties. Okay, in this tablet properties, the first one is the tablets that are to be coated must possess proper physical characteristics. Okay, the tablets that are to be coated must possess the proper physical characteristics. In coating process, the tablets will roll in a coating pan. In the coating process, the tablets roll in a coating pan or cascade in a stream of air suspension coater when the coating composition is applied. To tolerate this attrition, during the coating process, the tablets will strike to the other tablets. The tablets will strike to other tablets or coating pan. Okay, in the coating process, the one tablet will strike to the other tablets or to the walls of the coating pan. The tablet must resist to abrasion and chipping. Okay, first one is they have the proper physical characteristics. The tablet must be coated, must have the proper physical characteristics, and during the coating process, the tablets will roll in the coating pan or in the air suspension coater or to tolerate that attrition. During the coating process, the tablet will one tablet will strike to the other tablet or with the coating pan or with the walls of the coating pan to resist the tablets must resist the abrasion and chipping. And third property is, okay, this is the second property, that tablet surfaces are brittle. The tablet surfaces are brittle or soften in presence of heat. The tablet surfaces are brittle or soften, affected by the coating composition during the early phases of coating process. Such type of tablets are unacceptable for film coating. The tablet surfaces are brittle or softened due to the presence of heat. So during the coating process, during the early phase of coating process, such type of tablets are unacceptable for the film coating, because the film coating will adhere all the exposed surfaces . The film coating will adhere all the exposed surfaces so that any imperfections is coated and those are not eliminated. Any imperfections are coated and those are not eliminated. Okay, the tablet surfaces are brittle or softened. Such type of due to the presence of heat, the tablet surfaces are brittle or softened. Such type of tablets are unacceptable for film coating, because in the film coating, the coating compositions, the coating material will adhere to all the exposed surfaces. If any small imperfections that are to be coated, and those are not eliminated during the coating process. Okay, this is about the film coating. Next, property of film coating, and next sugar coating. Next one is in sugar coating, with their high solid content, they will dry more slowly and can fill many minor tablet imperfections. They can dry slowly. With their high solid content in sugar coating, they can dry slowly and can fill maximum minor tablet surface imperfections. They can coat the minor tablet surface imperfections during the early stage of coating process. Okay, in case of sugar coating, the ideal tablet shape is sphere. The ideal tablet shape for coating is sphere shape, which allows the tablet to roll freely in the coating pan with minimal tablet contact. Okay, when the tablet shape is sphere, that will roll the entire coating pan, will freely roll the coating pan with minimal tablet contact. Worst shape of tablet is square flat faced tablet. Square flat faced tablet is the worst shape of the tablet, because the coating material will collect between the surfaces and to glue them together. The coating material will collect on the surface and glue them. They form like a glue. For this reason, the coated tablets must be of a round surface, which sphere surface is more acceptable. A compressor tablet the compressor tablet will include many ingredients beside of the active ingredient. They are readily compressible. The properties should be readily compressible, resilient, rapidly dissolving, dosage form. For that reason, it should depend on chemical nature of the ingredient utilized in the formulation, because in compressor tablet, not only the active ingredient, many ingredients are used, because the tablet should be readily compressible and resilient and rapidly dissolving dosage form. For that reason, we have to main property during the formulation is main property is chemical nature. We have to observe the chemical nature of the tablets in case of a compressor tablets. A hydrophobic tablets. In case of hydrophobic tablet surface, that are difficult to coat with, it is difficult to coat with aqueous based coating. A hydrophobic tablet surface is difficult to coat with aqueous based coating because they do not wet the surface. Hydrophobic means water heating. That way it is difficult to coat with the aqueous based coating material. For this, the composition of the coating formulation is adjusted through by addition of surfactants. Okay, we have to overcome this by this. The coating material, the coating formulation should be adjusted by addition of surfactants. Okay, we have to add surfactants. By that, they can reduce the surface tension of coating compositions to improve the coating adhesion. In case of hydrophobic tablets are difficult to coat with the aqueous based composition coating formulation. To overcome this, we have to, that coating formulation must be adjusted. We have to add surfactants that will reduce the surface tension. By that, the coating material will coat over the hydrophobic tablets. Okay, these are the properties of tablet properties in case of coating. Okay, next components we will see in the later sessions. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.